This video will show you the methods of staking Matic with Blockdaemon via Fireblocks. First, we'll demonstrate how to stake using Wallet Connect. To begin the process, first log into the Blockdaemon app. On the left hand side of the app, under the staking section, select Stake in App. Here, you'll see a list of featured protocols which support in-app Blockdaemon staking. Polygon will appear in this list of protocols. You will be presented with the option to contact sales to stake. Click this button to get in touch with the Blockdaemon team. A team member will be in touch to get you onboarded for staking. Once you've been set up for staking, return to the Stake in-App section of the Blockdaemon app. Here, click Stake under Polygon. Now, select Connect Wallet to connect to your Fireblocks wallet. You will now be presented with a screen where you have the option of several wallets. Select Fireblocks. Scan the QR code with your phone to connect, or use Fireblocks on desktop. Once completed, under the Connect Wallet field, it will show a grayed out button stating Wallet Connected. We are now going to look at how to stake Polygon. Under the Enter Amount field, we'll input 25,000 Polygon tokens. On the right hand side, you will see a transaction summary field. This will show you the amount you wish to stake under Stake and the estimated network fee in ETH. Now, click Stake on the right hand side. Staking for the first time will require bootstrapping, which may take a few seconds. After this first time, bootstrapping will not be required again. You will then need to sign this transaction in your wallet. The bootstrapping transaction will then be confirmed by the network and completed. After this, the main staking transaction will be created. This will also require a signature in your wallet of choice. After a few moments within the Blockdaemon app, you will see that the transaction is confirmed. Under the text Transaction Complete, you can click on View Dashboard to access the Blockdaemon Polygon staking dashboard. You also have the option to stake your Matic via the Blockdaemon staking API. To do this, log into your Blockdaemon account and navigate to Staking APIs, where you can contact the Blockdaemon team to get you set up with access to your specific staking API plan by clicking on the Contact Us button in the top right corner of the screen. With your plan set up, you can then generate the staking API key, which you can use to make an API call to delegate to Blockdaemon's Polygon validator. A full guide on how to do this can be found in the video description box below. So there you have it. You now know how to stake Matic via Fireblocks using all available staking configurations from start to finish.